Guys up there at 504.50. And we might. I was kind of hoping that we don't swipe those before the first 15-second candle, but it looks like we might. So
I am live over on my channel now as well, if you want to say hi.
yeah, I got you pulled up. What's up, guys?
Ooh.
A mini downtrend overnight. Yeah, for sure. Good morning, Alcy Faye. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I think this thing is going to run that 504 either at the open or before it.
I was going to say, it looks like it might try to do it now.
If it runs the 504, then I'll probably only be looking for kind of downside, maybe. At open anyway.
Yeah, I don't have a hard rule about staying away from the open for the first like 10-15 minutes, but I've noticed that if I do, like it's a lot easier to trade the system, you know, when you're not dealing with the open. Unless there's 8:30 news. If there's 8:30 news, then I typically don't mind as much because usually the biggest move is that 8:30 news. But
Yeah.
because I'm sure you've noticed when there's news at 8:30, the opening is usually kind of stale.
Yeah, for sure. What up, Sean? We are right here at the whole number too. I don't know. I think this is probably going to be. I wish it would leave that 504 level, but I just don't think it's going to.
I'm interested to watch you trade this now. Got 1 minute.
Yeah, we're gonna see how she goes.
Waffles, Rob, what's up?
It's easy to put on, Sean. This is VOLA. It's easy to put on with Quantower because you can just hold down control and you can drop multiple orders at once.
Yeah, for sure. That's one thing I love about Quantower.
Yeah, very easy to drop orders here. So basically, if we open up and this first 15-second candle pushes more than 500, then I'll probably avoid the upside, but we'll see. Thoughts on the 1,000 cons that are sitting below? I don't know where they sitting at.
Maddie, we're 1,000 retail liquidity. He's watching it. He's watching that liquidity.
Yeah.
Nish, Karen, Donald, Solus, Paul, FX, Tony. Good morning. Mythodical.
I almost wonder if the 5-second trade's the play today, but oh well, we're here. Let's see what we get. Here we are. Yep. You see what I mean?
Oh, there it is.
So I'm only going to play the short, I think.
Oh, this is tempting.
I'm only going to play the short here. Not going to play the long. ES bouncing off the VWAP. I don't want to be longing into the VWAP either. See, I would have got stopped out right there.
Yeah, I can see how that would be very frustrating.
So I'm only going to play the short.
I wanted to take that short up top so bad.
Let's see.
It's so hard with the opening candle. Especially after last week. You saw what we had 3 days last week where that opening candle went and then it just kept going.
Yeah, for sure. Tagged in, tagged out. All right, it just lost. And I got slipped pretty bad on a couple of accounts. And then it goes dirty.
See, that's what I'm saying with that opening trade. It's crazy. It's so manipulated, it seems. Damn, look at this. Woo! Wowzers, look at this thing go.
Yeah, it's just ripping.
Down through 450, I would have tried that long there, but it didn't quite get there.
Let me get on my other account here.
Riggedy Rack, I don't think that's the move you were looking for.
Yeah, that was kind of dirty. Just stopped me out and then just ripped. Where's my order box at? Okay. All my orders are closed. I try to make sure I turn the copier off and all that after I do that trade. I almost wanted to give it more room there, but you really can't. You just have to play by the rules.
Yeah, I mean, if your system's working, there's no reason to change it up.
I do want to eyeball the 5 second though and see how, because I almost thought the 5 second might have been the play today.
I was very confused looking at your chart for a second because I was like, why is there new candles for what is going on? I forgot you had said
Now,
you're on the 15 second.
Hard to tell on the 5 second here. I can't tell if this broke above first and then came back or not.
Want to move up?
Yeah.
It went through just barely, pulled back, and then went.
Yeah, the 5 second's different though. I don't know.
Yeah, but I was watching it like as it was happening. I don't look at the 5 second, but I can see the 5 second in my head.
Oh, headed to 420. Yeah, I kind of think so too. I mean, it's kind of that 50% mark.
Hopefully it breaks 450 and goes straight to 420. I'll be in.
Yeah, it's looking pretty weak here.
If pretty weak. This 450 break and get a nice push away from it. That's kind of what I'm looking for. And we're what, 5 minutes almost, 4 minutes in.
So I'm only supposed to be risking well, I guess no, it's 300, but I got slipped to 377 on a couple of those. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is.
Isn't it crazy how the slippage always, the slippage hurts and you always get slippage, it seems, on your stops, but you never get slippage
never positive.
When you take profits.
Yeah.
It's very frustrating.
It's kind of the thing.
Yeah. That's how they get you. Well, they in this implication don't really care, but
I will consider a short if we can break the 40 here for the run down into the Twinkie.
Where are we at on the daily? Oh, we had a pretty big recovery on Friday.
Yeah. I'm thinking about, let's see if ES can hold below 67 or not.
I'd say like 370. Looking at the daily, that's the top of that bottom candle. They probably the bulls are going to want to stay above that. 370. I should probably mark that on my chart.
Considering a short here, if ES holds below 67, it's testing it now.
So do you like looking for those confluences?
I watch the ES and the Nasdaq together.
Gotcha. I've heard a lot of people lately telling me that those two kind of contradict each other every once in a while. Where like the ES will be making new highs, but the Nasdaq just won't.
Yeah, sometimes. ES is much closer to all-time highs anyway right now.
Yeah, I mean, NQ's not too far away.
ES is only like
it's like
30 points.
Gotcha.
Yeah. It's close. We did sweep liquidity here on this downside. We swept the overnight low. So we do have a potential 1 minute inversion back up here. Let's see kind of how it closes. See if the 30 second and the 1 minute.
87. I mean, yeah. So they're like 10-point candles in pre-market, so they weren't that small. That was just a really big candle.
Yeah, we got decent vol. It was decent overnight. It wasn't like, I mean, there was a point where it was pretty bad, but like, that's to be expected.
Right. That's like their lunchtime kind of thing.
Yeah.
I've never traded overnight, so I have no idea. But I've always like looked back, and I mean, when you look at the size of the candles, they're never even close to the New York session. So
yeah,
you got to like really squeeze some points in the overnight session.
40 points can be a full week of the ES, I guess, Jan. Not lately.
Zishan, good morning. It's like my favorite movie. Well, not my favorite movie. One of my favorite movies where it's got a famous line in there. See if you know the movie. Is the juice worth the squeeze?
What is that? Is that what movie is that? Is that I'm thinking of
Somebody
is that a
else.
sports movie?
No, it's not a sports movie.
No. I don't know it then.
It's got
Might be an old. I
it's got Alicia Cuthbert in it.
have no idea who that is.
You don't know who Alicia Cuthbert is?
Mm-mm.
You might want to Google.
I'll look it up in a minute. I'm about to take a long. You're at the VWAP.
Recovered that real nicely, huh?
Yeah.
Didn't quite give me my move down through 450 that I wanted.
All right, I'm in.
It is not Gladiator. Isn't it The Girl Next Door, Sean C says? Yes, it is.
Girl Next Door. I haven't seen that in forever.
I know. It's such a good movie, though. It's when the guy and the two guys are in the car and he like smacks him upside the head and he is like, you always got to know, is the juice worth the squeeze?
Would make sense.
Talking about the girl.
Push through 06 here. I'm going to move stop to break even. Back through 0650.
You'd think with this kind of recovery already, you'd get at least a test of the highs here.
Yeah, I want to get the opening print. So stop to break even here. I don't know if I can get over here to move it. And I'm going to try to get the opening print. What are we up here? 205. Yeah. We get the opening print. We get this account back to even.
Kind of sucks if your stop's going to be right at 500 because a lot of times they'll come retest that before they run it. That whole dollar.
Yeah. We do have the VWAP as protection, though. So let's see if we can hold the VWAP.
Hopefully.
The VWAP.
The VWAP. I always say
Kevin's
when people
already
say VWAP, I'm like, what'd you call me?
Yeah. Oh, no. Ah, you dirtiness.
Oh, it didn't get you yet, did it?
Yeah, it stopped me out.
Oh, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, them whole dollars, it's tough. I always say VWAP, so I don't offend anybody. Start saying VWAP and people, their ears go up.
They start thinking about Cardi B.
I was more so thinking, the old Italian slang.
I don't know the Italian slang.
You never heard the term WAP?
Yeah, but with Cardi B. Do I take one more stab at this? I don't know. I'm looking here. Let's see. Pro plus EM. Let me find my funded account over here. We got, let's see, 60. We have an inside bar on the 5-minute already.
It's the girl next door. I would repeat what you said, but I'm on Myth stream too, so I'm not going to say that.
The guy next door?
No, I don't know how you feel about... Oh, we're already saying WAP, so... Now, WAP is a term that Americans used to call, like, Italian descent people, like, that they didn't like. That was just their way of saying, you, like, get out of here, you WAP. Like, that kind of thing. It doesn't get used anymore, but...
That inside bar is pretty big.
Make it a threesome. Get on there, Pine Tree. Ooh, baby.
Pine Tree would love a threesome. I'm not quite sure what to expect here from this. Let's see. Are we going down or going up? What are we doing?
Derogatory. That's the word I was looking for. That's what I told you, man. I stay away from these first 10, 15 minutes because I feel like a lot of times this is exactly what you get. Well,
I like trading the first inside bar, so I'm going to take it.
No, I'm not saying for you. I'm just saying me in general.
68.25.
I like looking for those clean breaks. Every time I see Riggedy Rack's name, it makes me want to be like, Riggedy Rack, don't take back.
You got an Italian friend that has WAP as a nickname. Everyone calls him by it. You don't even remember his real name.
That's funny. Does he speak English?
Yeah.
How old is he? He probably doesn't even know what the term WAP even means. He probably just thinks it's a nickname people gave him.
He said, okay, I am WAP.
Yeah, I am WAP. That's why you did it? Because of the song? I love it.
I don't know that song.
It's now I can't think. I was actually trying to think of the real lyrics. It's an old song. I feel like it's like one of the ones our parents used to listen to.
Is that what it says?
No, it's not what it says. It just makes me think of it. Yakety yak, don't look back. That's
okay.
It. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I wasn't sure I remembered it saying that.
Song by the Coasters, 1956. I knew it was an old song.
All right, ES is about to potentially squeeze here. It's back above the high already.
I am gonna load up some marbles. We can just get it started for my stream. You're more than welcome to join, obviously.
We have more. We have an SMT at the high here now. ES took the high. Nasdaq did not. Is that going to send us down lower or not? You need Marge back? I don't know who Marge was. I have no idea who Marge was. I had a girl in my chat earlier named Marge who was talking some
Marge Simpson?
some risque stuff. Nah. Wasn't Marge Simpson, but I don't know quite who it was.
All right, exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. All right, looks like we're heading back down here.
Yeah, I was almost tagged in short. Was almost tagged in short there.
Ooh, good thing you didn't.
Yeah, I forgot to move it like a tick below it. So that's another inside bar there too.
I've started to notice a lot too. I've been paying a little bit more attention to. Oh, it looks like you're gonna get ticked in there. There you go. Go.
I'm tagged in.
If you get the break of the previous candle, but then it can't retrace more than half of the previous candle, it starts to feel like you're starting to trend that direction. So this is good. Go. Shoot through the lows. You get filled, and then I might get a trade too.
Let's see if we can push here.
Nas Daddy. I like that. Nas Daddy. He's in his 50s. I've known him for decades. No accent. There's a ton of Italians and Finlanders here. Interesting. So he definitely knows about it if he's in his 50s. Go, baby. Look at this candle. Going straight to you.
I got my target on the other account over here. I'm going to lock in 10 here. I think it still goes, but I think it's smart just to take the money. If it pulls back into my entry, then I'll get back in. But once it gets into that 15-point range, I like to lock some in.
Yeah, no, solid trade.
Especially a lot of times, yeah, a lot of times you'll get this here.
Yep.
And what you can do is you can actually put your order back in the same spot again for the re-break. And then come on, it missed me. All right. So then I'm right back into the same trade.
But you already took your profit. Let's go.
Already took one set of profit, so let's see if this thing goes or not. I'm not gonna probably push down to like the 50 area again on this one. I'll lock it in, break even once we get past the 10-point mark. See here, ES kind of holding up at the 67 there. I'm going to move the stop to break even when the ES gets back to that 67. So I want to see it just push through there. ES holding up at the 67 for now. Might stop us out. I'm only $30 away from break even here. And I'm just going to take the break even. So back to break even after that opening range loss.
There you go.
So 5-minute inside bar paying again. Got 2 of my funded accounts back to positive after the opening range loss. So
Justin, Jason, good morning.
We only got 1 more of the funded accounts to work on there. The Tradeify.
Funny little story. I have a server right next to me that I run as like an entertainment server for the house, and I always would have my headphones on. This is the first time I am not wearing my headphones, and it's one of the fans inside is clicking, and I keep like banging it to try to see if it'll stop, but it won't stop. And I'm like, I wonder if it's always been this way, but I just always have my headphones. So I couldn't.
You haven't noticed? How come you're not wearing your headphones today?
I don't know. I just wanted to try it, see what it feels like. I put some like actual desktop speakers on my desk to give a shot as well.
Garage Day Trader says porn server.
Porn server. What is that? For what?
I don't know. You said you got a server next to your desk.
Oh yeah. It does have like probably I think we're up to like 50 terabytes of storage on there. So yeah, plenty of the porn on there.
Plenty of porn.
Myth is way louder than me. All right, I mean, he's just louder than me in general, but
yeah, usually
should be better now.
Pine Tree's up $400 or $1,200 on his personal account. Let's go.
Let's go.
He's got to stop taking my call outs though. You know what I mean?
What's up, Cody? That should be better now, by the way. Stream sponsored by KY. Let's go.
It's so funny. We were talking about that earlier in the in London, and you know, they
About
came
KY?
out with the Krispy Kreme flavored KY.
Oh God. Is that a thing?
It's a thing.
Oh no way! I thought you were just joking. Now I gotta look it up.
Krispy Kreme flavor.
KY. It's called whole glaze.
Yeah, whole glaze.
Oh, that's great. It says warm and sticky. What if it's just their icing inside of a tube?
That would be funny. Yeah, it could be.
That's hilarious. Oh my God, I gotta buy this just because.
Oh, he's buying it. You know what he's using that for.
Damn right.
Yeah. So Pine Tree, the inside buy paid 20 points exactly. So in my back testing, I was taking 20 points for take profit, and it paid exactly 20 points. I took 10 points twice, basically.
It's not real. Who lied to you?
Really not real?
Yeah.
I don't know. I just saw it on like, you know, TikTok or something.
Yeah, it says when we reached out to KY for comment, we were told that this image is fake and that the company does not sell a KY Krispy Kreme lubricant. Oh man. That would have been so great.
Such a disappointment. I am trying to get to 7,700 subscribers, guys, before we do the giveaway. So you need to 20 more. You got to press subscribe.
Yeah, anyone over?
We're giving away. Yeah, we're doing an
subscribe.
Apex any size account.
Ooh.
What are you doing over there?
So I'm doing the death races for cash money. Right now it's up to $150. But I am, since I'm streaming with you, I was going to give away a Tradeify 50K advanced account at some point.
Nice. Yeah, I need to reach out to Tradeify for some more accounts. It's been about a month.
Get them.
John, it is called something. John, okay, if you don't know what the inside bar indicator is, get a pen. It's very, very tough. So when you right click, you're going to go to indicators, and then it's called, now write this down, inside bar. You being sarcastic there, of course. You would never guess it's called Inside Bar.
Yo, Myth, did you get the email from My Funded Futures like 20 minutes ago?
I haven't checked my emails. What's going on?
Interesting, interesting email.
Let me see.
We're not allowed to say anything, I don't think, but not yet anyway.
The futures desk said, you asked, we listen. 70% off static accounts, 50% off end of day. Yep.
Not the futures. I'm talking, it's My Funded Futures.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Cleve.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
That's crazy. I wonder if it's going to be through like a code or if they're like doing it on their stream or whatever. Oh, I guess it says down here. Let's see.
So we can already say something.
Well, it says up. Oh, we will be pushing it starting at 9:30. Do not say. Oh yeah, I guess we could.
So it's saying they're giving away 20,000 traders are getting 50K accounts for just $1. $1 giveaway brings them in. You get 33% off the 100K or the 150K scale and pro. This has never been done. So I don't know how they're. Where do you go to? Where do you go to?
They're saying it's a $1 billion giveaway, but it's $1 billion in sim dollars.
Today is 8:25, right? Yeah, it is. Today's 8:25.
Winners announced. Oh, so it's like a giveaway?
It's a giveaway, yeah.
What converts after they enter? Traders are upgrading with 33% off. I'm confused. Like, what's the dollar for?
If you win the giveaway, I'm assuming. You have to pay $1. So you can get 33% off the 100K and the 150K accounts. And you can also enter a giveaway at myfundedfutures.com/billion.
Yeah.
So, but your standard code is going to give 33% off the 100 and the 150K.
Yep. Yeah.
So you pay $1 if you win, is what Kevin is saying. So
Interesting.
Thanks, Black Beauty. Appreciate you. So yeah, they already announced it on the stream, says Pine Tree. So yeah, you can get 33% off if you want to pick up the 100 or the 150K accounts. That's interesting. It's not a bad deal, I think. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I was listening to their stream, and then I started with you, and then that's when I stopped, so I didn't hear that.
Yeah, I have. I tend to try to keep people pulled up and tabbed, but not all day. They'll sometimes get paused in the background and stuff.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, 33% is for the 100 and the 150. For one or the other.
For my guys, I'm gonna post that in my Discord so you guys can look at because they gave us little those little flyers that they always hand out.
Yeah, I got that too. Which email is that on? I don't even know. All right. Yeah, I usually try to upload mine too so I can just show it.
Yeah, that's what I do. I usually pull it up on stream.
Elite trader funding. I mean, Elite's okay. Just keep a small balance with them. I wouldn't go huge. But yeah. Wouldn't go huge. Where did that email go?
You deleted it. You spammed that shit right away.
I literally just checked it and it's in that folder. Now it's gone.
$1 billion giveaway. That's crazy.
$1 billion.
20,000 accounts. That's a lot of accounts. But they're only giving away 20,000 accounts after they've sold 20,000 accounts, right? Because you only get activated if you buy an account. And then if you win, you get a 50K account for $1. Right? That's my understanding. So you're getting 33% off an account, but to enter you have to buy an account. And then if you win,
you don't have to buy an account.
You sure?
Yeah, you should be able to go to mffu.com/billion To enter is what it said. Let me do it now and see.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Say register to win, enter the giveaway.
And it just says enter now. You just
Yeah,
click enter and you log into your account.
I agree. I do not want to.
There we go.
Username already exists. What? Oh, sign in. I thought I was
Yeah, I'm
signing in.
entered. Look at this thing rip. Holy cow.
Prop.
Are you getting close to a trade here?
If we break through the highs, yeah. I'd be looking for like 20, 30 points push through the current high. Where is the actual high? All the way up at 607. I'm just talking about the opening high.
There we go. Now I found the email. I only had it on showing priority emails, not the other stuff.
Gotcha.
So here's the thing, 33% off the 100K and the 150K accounts. 100K payout cap, scaling uncapped payouts, no daily loss limit, 0 activation fee, 3 uses per user.
It says subscribe to MFFU on YouTube. I already am. What is this? It makes you click it though. That's funny.
It didn't make me do that.
Really?
And then there's the giveaway. Yeah, I don't know. It just came up and said you are now entered into the giveaway.
Yeah, mine says, thank you. You have successfully registered. Winners will be notified 9/1. Sweet. Use code VOLA, not upside. Or MM, sorry.
We can use your code too. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Use one of our codes, not theirs.
Not the stock code. We do have 10 a.m. news. You are right. I'm watching here. I mean, if ES pushes above 64.74, things really could get interesting here. Let me switch over to another account. Where's my trade day account at?
Get my
Or
marbles.
Tradeify.
Yeah, I'm
Too
really
many accounts
focused
in
on
here.
my Tradeify account at the moment. Getting
Right,
pretty
there it is, 1
close to payout there. I got a nice big old cushion on that account.
I don't have a nice big cushion.
I
So
am
what's
sad.
the story
Okay.
on that
Yeah.
one account?
So, well, I was going to say real quick, the account that I actually took 2 payouts from Tradeify recently, I actually blew that account last week. I was kind of sad, but it was right after I took the payout, so I had like no cushion on it. But this one, I have a huge cushion because there was one day where just straight up the market was going crazy and I just had a bunch of trades that went in the right direction. Here we go. Go. Keep going. I'm looking for a push through 550 here.
I'm thinking of a long.
I hope you get it.
Let's see.
The thing is, I want you to get along. I want you to get filled at your take profit because it seems like most people where they're selling is where I'm looking to get into a trade. So that's kind of the premise behind my trades.
Well, we ran that 5-minute liquidity there. Is the only problem.
Donald.
15-minute range is set here. Stock code is a guaranteed failure. That's right, Pine Tree. Stock code is failure.
That's what I always tell everyone. I was like, use code VOLA. It's guaranteed pass.
Well,
It works. It works 100% of the time, 50% of the time.
50% of the time, a 100% win rate.
That's it. All right. Running marbles on my stream real quick. I won't commentate too much, but just letting everybody know on mine.
I don't want to stab long here, but man.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
Was this a 10 a.m. candle? It was. All right, I'll try it.
Get it. Don't stop. Get it. Get it. That's right. That's real.
What are we looking for here? 542?
How did you enter? What are you talking about, Tony? You know how to enter. We're going to be doing another one. I'm actually going to be doing a 50K advanced account from Tradeify. I don't know if I'll do that one next or... Yeah, maybe we will, because it's already 10 o'clock.
Money Futures Network, you can use... they have Tradeivate or Ninja. Room said if he fails, you're giving him his money back. Is that what you're saying?
Ew. If
you say you gotta...
if it's the 50% of the time, yeah.
50% of the time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for that push kind of like 532s. If we get that, I'll go break even there. Might be
I
in this a
will
little early.
let you know, Rumi, that 50% of the time, most people lose that against me. My win rate on coin flips is really good, especially when I'm in control of the coin.
He's placing the heads up.
But no, I every account that I get from anywhere, I give back to the community. So that's my way of giving you my 50%.
Heads I win, tails you lose.
Are you actually flipping?
No.
I'm actually pretty bad at this.
All right, let's see here.
You're in long, you said, right?
Yeah, I'm looking for 42.
Nice. Let's go. You got that. It's going.
I'm going to be moving my stop up, so it may stop me.
What's that current high at? 39. So you just got to break the high.
Well, I need 42, so just about there.
Right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you need that to break.
There we go. Trailing tight here, so locking in 10.
Ooh, Evie snuck in there.
There we go.
Oh,
Let's go.
let's go, Evie. Come on. I am watching the chart too, looking for the 550 break. Hit it.
So back to break even on that account too. So all the funded accounts are back to break even after that opening range loss.
Zishan, you know that's not true.
What's Zishan say? Rigged?
This one feels rigged. So this is it's called a death map. So it's really hard to beat. But every week I raise the prize pool $5. So I mean,
Right.
it could go a while, it could not. Who knows? But I started at 100 though. I didn't start at 5.
You're like 9 weeks in.
Well, when we get to when I'm giving away accounts, we don't play this map. Like I go to a map that you're guaranteed to win. Well, someone is. Well, apparently on Friday we found out that even the map that I usually give the accounts away on isn't a guaranteed win. But then I just run it back if that happens.
Yeah, just run it again.
Oh no, the funded giveaway? Which funded giveaway? Are you talking about the 50K advanced account?
Oh, what was that?
Yeah, I have sounds as well. Hopefully Steve doesn't come in because he likes to play them all at once.
What about Fade? This is VOLA trades. He used to
join
be
the
known as
marbles.
volatility trades, but then he cut it down to VOLA.
Yeah, everyone started calling me Vala. The funny part is I've been contemplating changing the name again. I don't know if I'm going to, but thinking about it.
What were you thinking?
I'll still be Vala though. I was thinking about making it my name, like my actual name. Well, not my real last name, but close to it.
So Tim Trades,
Titty Trades.
PT.
I need to, have you seen the recent Mission Impossible movies? Or even just
I don't
any of
know.
them? Well, they have
There you
where
go.
they have the masks where they can look like other people and they're super realistic. I was like, I just
Right.
need to get one of those.
Order
but be a
filled.
girl. Damn you.
Artist formerly known as Volatility. I heard an
Artist.
order field. That was not all
Yeah.
mine.
No, they get me with that every once in a while. It's one of the sound bites.
Oh,
Well,
I'm doing that every time.
I know. He gets every once in a while. I actually did look over at the chart, but I was like, oh, I wasn't even on the chart. So sometimes it gets, because sometimes I'll be in a trade and I'll leave orders out and I don't realize it. And so like it freaks me out that when I hear that. That was kind of
Yeah,
why
I was watching your stream the other day, and you were in a drawdown trade, and you worked your way out of it, and then you left the sell order at the bottom, and it was like 6 points from it, and I'm over here like, dude,
yeah.
close that order out.
Yeah, and I didn't even
finally
know.
Did. Yeah, you finally did reach over there and close it.
Yeah, I'm so used to on the futures desk. When it closes out the trade, it closes out the orders too. So it's like, I need to, it's like each platform has its own little thing. Or like even when you do the bracket orders and stuff with the OCO on Quantower, it'll close it. But on Trade-Evade, I don't know if there's a way to do that like after you're in the trade.
Yeah, I don't know. Tom Cruise at 60 plus did that actual mountain jump in the last one. Oh, did he?
Just get an AI character to do it. Not a bad idea.
Is Tom Cruise that old? I didn't realize.
He really is. Yeah. And he still does all his stunts. It's crazy.
I don't like this trade now. Getting out. I got in a little too late. Getting out.
Just
yes,
grinding.
I think it's going to go now, but yes, it's kind of dicking around a little bit at that 74 level. I should probably wait for structure.
And it's starting to feel like it might want to go try the highs, 607.
Yeah, it's ripping there. All right, maybe I should have stayed in. Might short 582 for a little retrace, 10 points if we get it.
All right, for anyone interested, giving away a Tradeify 50K advanced account, courtesy of good old Myth here. Since we're streaming together, I'm going to go ahead and do one of these. All you got to do is come over to my stream if you're on Myth stream. I'm not trying to steal you. I'm just saying if you want to participate in the giveaway. Come on over, ! marbles. You just type it in the chat and you're good to go. You got 10 minutes, 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
I got your stream pinned up there if they want to just click the link.
Yep, in the chat. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Let me do that for yours as well.
Oh, she's pulling back. See, that's what I'm saying. I was kind of scared of that long. You know what, though? I do kind of think we do have like, we got some low resistance liquidity built up. That 568 level looks pretty interesting.
Yeah, it's just, I hate when it's slow like this. I just sit here and cry about it.
Yeah, Stan, so he runs marbles, a marbles race, and whoever wins the race, that's who gets the prize.
Yep. Oh,
The only thing that,
okay.
well, the only thing that he left out that he didn't tell you is you do have to be willing to sit on his lap before he gives you the prize.
Don't tell him about my grooming tactics.
That's right. You got to be able to rub your head, you know. Pretty bird, pretty bird.
Now, all I ask is that you have to be able to pat your head and rub your tummy at the same time. That's it.
It's tough.
Once you get it though, you're good. Yeah, I got it. I actually went right into it. It took me a real long time to actually learn how to do that, but I guess it's like muscle memory at this point.
Guys, we still need 20 subs. Still need 20 subs for my giveaway.
See, I
ain't doing it.
I think most of the people watching me are already subbed to you anyway, so I don't think I can.
Yeah, mine too. That's what I told people. I was like, if we don't get the 100 subs by time New York starts, it might be tough.
Yeah.
So Maybe we can get some of those midday subscribers.
Yeah,
All
three
right, I think I'm
people
gonna jump.
disliked your stream. What's that all about?
I don't know.
Dukes.
They might not have liked Tom. They might not have liked you. You never know.
Tom who?
That's how it goes.
Which Tom?
Tom Sabo.
Oh, Sabo, gotcha.
Tom
Chill, guys, it's
Sabo.
fine, as long as he can sit on my lap. Wait, no. You got to sit on my lap. What are you talking about? And I'm wearing sweatpants too.
Possible 5-minute inside bar. Yeah, it's. I don't know if I love that one, to be honest.
Wait, is that your name?
Yes.
KY? Dean Lou KY? Or is that like
Where?
Kentucky?
Yeah, it's like Dean Lou, Kentucky.
Gotcha. Is that the British guy? Sabo? Yeah.
He's from Hungary.
Hungary.
I don't know if there's a difference in British and Hungary or not.
I don't know.
ES is trying to pull the Nasdaq down here. Looking like a drop is incoming. I'm tempted to short, to be honest. All right, so if this inside bar forms and then it takes it to the downside, maybe I'll take it. Although, to be honest with you, how long do we have on this hourly candle? 47 minutes still.
Yeah, I'll say we just started it.
I don't know. Tough spot. Riggity's wanting to see a drop. Well,
I mean,
ES is
Riggedy-
below the VWAP.
Riggedy was right. You just had to wait for the double bottom there. Riggedy said we were going to get the move higher, but we just had to test the lows first, get that liquidity.
Yeah. Take my money.
Yeah, it sure did.
If you're jumping, staying. You just got here, Jane. Staying.
If I
Just
win
got
this
here.
giveaway, I'm jumping ship.
You just got here, bro.
You can do
Literally,
both. You can watch
He
both.
just subscribed like an hour ago. Room said he always dislikes streams if he doesn't win the giveaways.
Rumi,
Rude.
let's meet me in Discord. I'll give you some back end deal. And when
I'll
I
give you a
mean
reach
back
around.
end, when I say back end, I mean it.
Give you a
Guys,
little
I'm
reach
not,
around.
I'm not that way. I have a husband. I mean, wife and a couple.
You have a
kids.
husband?
Uh,
All right, that's fine.
I don't. Why? Are you looking?
What's his name? How you say? I can't remember his name. Sean. Ishan?
Oh, Zishan?
Zishan. Yeah, I
Zishan.
can't remember his name.
He's always looking.
I know.
Sex.
that?
No preference.
Who was that guy that you met for dinner that one time?
Jason?
We were worried about you.
Yeah. We've went to lunch 4 times now. It's 3 or 4 times. We actually, we crossed a huge barrier this last time because we went to the I don't want to say it because YouTube's a little weird about it. We went to the range together.
Okay. Yeah. I thought you said you hugged and kissed at the end.
Well, we did, but we went to the range and ate lunch first.
Country said he has someone within 5 minutes of his stream hits the dislike button. So they've been doing it for 7 months.
Man, that is some pity right there.
He doesn't know it's me. I've never told him.
I think it's Terry. Oh no.
Could be. Uh-oh.
Wait, don't you go on their stream, don't you? She not like you?
Sometimes he goes on their stream.
You know what's funny? All these TVs, they all brought me on once. They all said it was a great stream. They all said they would bring me back, and I've not gotten one invite back.
You've been on
Liars.
you've been on the futures desk, right? I saw you last week.
Yeah. I've been I'm pretty sure we have like a every Wednesday kind of thing with them. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of like verbal agreement. There was nothing like in writing or anything, but yeah, it's fun hanging out with them. Rebecca
Morning, Alito.
mainly. Raj is a little quiet, but
I noticed that they stop and restart their streams at some point.
well, they
Not
usually
quite
have
sure
like
why.
different like segments. So, and I guess they try to separate them that way, I guess.
I got you.
That'd be my
Yeah, they
guess.
asked me to come on this week, but I actually don't think I'm going to be able to. I'm supposed to go on Thursday, I think, and I've had something come up. But of course, they haven't reached back out to confirm. But
Yeah, they're usually like day of. Yeah, I mean, they're good about it. Like on the day of, but yeah, their team's still pretty small. They're still playing catch up a little bit with the other guys, but I would say on their stream, the reason I actually like their stream is because it's a lot more laid back. It's more kind of like how we like it. It's just kind of chill. It's not like Tradeify.
Yeah.
It's like got to be talking nonstop. My Fun of Futures is a little bit more chill than Tradeify, but you still gotta kind of keep up with the movement of the show.
yeah, I actually did my own segment on My Fun to Futures last week. I took over for Tom for 4 days.
Nice.
Or actually, it was the week before last. I think I filled in for Ash one day last week. So I had the 1 hour segment to myself. It's, it's kind of nice. You can kind of just treat it as if it's your own stream and
Yeah,
you don't
for
worry
sure.
about much. So, although I'm not quite sure what I'm allowed to say and what I'm not,
I mean, they didn't tell you.
Yeah, sometimes the conversation can get a little, a little on the edge.
Oh, real quick, guys. 30 seconds for Marvels. I forgot to update you guys. Get them in.
DDT watches Raj every night before he goes to bed so he can go to sleep. Dang. Oh, yeah, no feet talk. I do think somebody got in trouble for showing their feet. Was that Travis? I think Travis started the show with his feet in the camera or something.
Oh, jeez.
And
Nobody wants to see that. Oh, like on My Fun of Futures?
yeah, I think Terry was licking her lips or something. Isn't that right, Pine? Oh.
Who am I missing?
They had that KY, the Krispy Kreme KY there ready to go. Team Massive, you're in the wrong chat, brother. You got to do it over there in volatilities.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll
pinned at
give
the top.
you guys. I know the timer ran out, but I'll give you guys another minute to get over there because it'll still work if you type it.
Yeah, it's pinned at the top. And I am so tempted to short here. I think this thing's going to roll over.
Zishan, I just answered. I answered that over there. Why? Oh wait, this is my stream. I'm looking at my chat. I'm like, wait a minute, why are they asking me the same questions they asked on mine over in yours? It was just mine catching up.
No, I'm probably reading yours too.
No, like you know how like if you click away from the browser, and then you click back to it, the chat like goes really fast to catch up sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's I did that. That's why. But for some reason, I thought I clicked on your tab, and I thought I was watching your stream. But
Hey, where's the Oakleys at?
the Oakleys?
Yeah, the sunglasses. I don't see the sunglasses on the hat anymore.
It's because I tried to show the code VOLA hat.
Code VOLA,
But I still have them. They're there.
I'm headed up to Columbus this weekend.
North Carolina?
No, Columbus, Ohio.
Ohio. Or why did I say North Carolina? I meant Ohio. For
Yeah.
what? You going sports?
Ohio State, Texas.
Gotcha. Nice.
Season
You
opener.
should. You like theme parks? I think we've talked about this before.
I like theme parks, but yeah, what do you got going on up there? Is there one up there?
Yeah, there's a really good one. Let me see how far away it is, though. See if anyone can guess the name of it before I say it. I think it's kind of close to there. Let me see. I'm checking the map. Yep. Yeah, it's not too far. Let me see exactly how.
Cedar Point, Kings Island.
Yeah, it's Cedar Point. Directions. Let's see, Cedar.
Earns more than 10 million. That's crazy, Black Beauty.
They actually just came out with a new roller coaster too. That's a decent drive. On the map, it doesn't look that far, but it says it's a 2.5 hour drive.
Yeah, that's pretty far. Is that south of Columbus
It's
or north?
north. It's north. It's like right up at the where the Great Lakes are.
So that's further away.
It's like straight north though, but yeah.
Probably going to the Columbus. They got a AAA baseball team. I don't even know what it's called. Columbus something. They're in Ohio. Got a game on Friday night.
Trev, have you used KY as toothpaste before?
You thought KY was toothpaste? Ugh.
Oh, no.
I mean, as long as you're using your brush, you should get some, you know, it should clean some.
Cedar Point. We used to, so when I was a kid, that was like our thing that we did every year when I was a little older. I want to say from probably when I was like 11 until I was probably 17 or 18. We used to go every year. We'd drive up there. It's like 8.5 hour drive for us.
Columbus Swamp Donkeys, is that really the name of the team? I don't believe you.
I'm sure no, there can't be. Maybe the Donkeys.
Let me see. Oh, I think it is. That is the name of
Wow.
the team.
That's crazy.
That's hilarious. Is it not Harrison? I
Yeah,
swear I
let's
just
see,
looked
let's
up. Oh, there's other teams. It pulled up. Columbus Swamp Donkeys. Columbus Clippers.
Oops. All right, let's run some marbles.
Visible. I am not attending it because Texas is in the SEC. My girlfriend's oldest son loves Ohio State football, and since I did not get to take him to the national title game because the tickets were over $5,000 a piece, I told him that I would take him to this game, and his is for his birthday.
$5,000 a piece? That's crazy. It's like the Super Bowl.
Dude, upper deck tickets for this game were $600 a piece.
Just a regular game? Jeez.
Yep, upper deck
It-
seats. We're
Is
in
this
the upper
their
deck.
opening? Is this their opening game?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
so that's probably why.
And it's like it's number 1 versus number 2 right now in the preseason rankings. So
True. That's true. All right, this
kinda
is
wild.
for a 50K advanced account. You win, you get it. Let's go.
All right, let's see who wins.
If Mythodical wins, he's just going to do a giveaway on his channel for it.
Perfect. We'll just
Ooh.
add it in. Why not?
See ya. Man, everyone got blasted. Holy shnikes.
Entry went to US Bank Stadium, home of the Vikings.
Team Massive, subscribe to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Thank you.
MB, the link is at the top of the chat, brother.
Columbus Clippers. I'm sure
Yeah,
there's
I think that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Columbus Clippers.
Stain, this is marbles, baby. Get used to it if you're going to stick around. We play lots of marbles. This is I use this track a lot for the giveaways because it's complete chaos.
Jason's in first right now. Code VOLA coming up in third. Pine Tree in 8.
Ooh.
Moving on up.
Moving on up. If I win, it doesn't count. I got to run it back, but I never win. So it might look like I'm going to win, but I promise you I won't. I'll get blown
You
off
can
or
bet.
something.
So you can bet games on Robinhood, says Pine Tree. That's interesting.
What? Really?
You can bet on games.
They became a
Code VOLA is
sports book?
definitely,
It's got to
he's
be
definitely cheating.
Nah, look, I'm going backwards. What are you talking about? Is
Oh,
it
you're
a
going
separate
backwards?
app on Robinhood? There's no way that they're going to let you hook up your brokerage account and gamble. I mean, if you depending on who you ask, you're doing that anyway. But
Jobit won my giveaway last week. He might have
well,
won twice.
I don't think he's going to win this one now.
Yeah, Rustwater, a lot of NFL talent for sure in that game. I mean, you know, I'm a Georgia Bulldogs fan, so I don't have a. I'm not rooting for either. I'll be in Bulldogs gear.
Kobo. Oh, there's a lot.
I
of
did
barrels.
see. I saw Texas play twice last year. I went to the SEC title game, and I traveled to Austin for the Texas Georgia game in Austin. And then I went to New Orleans to watch Georgia play Notre Dame.
There is some.
So,
I mean, those college football games, man, they can get crazy.
yeah, they're expensive, but you know,
Well, I
it's
didn't mean
one of those
that way. I
things.
meant like the atmosphere and like just the enjoyment of the game itself.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun. Even in Texas, I was like the only Georgia fan in the entire section. Of course, I was in the alumni suite. I bought a ticket in the alumni suite. I was the only Georgia fan there.
That's funny.
So, Nvidia earnings are on Wednesday, Black Beauty. I'm thinking of full porting either my Bulanox account or a funded account from Take Profit Trader on Nvidia earnings
Oh, here we go. Getting to the end.
and see how it works.
Virigni. How do you say this? Oh,
Sovereignty.
Oh, I get it. The five's an S. Okay, thank you. Or I was getting ready to say it almost looks like it spells like overnight, but wait. Zishan! Zishan's in the lead.
Zishan trying to. Uh-oh.
Oh, you got Froggo. See ya. Yeah, so Froggo, one of the first times we played this map, he was about to win, and then one of the comet things hit him, and he got sent flying. So now we call that a Froggo. Room! Room! No! Oh, he's still gonna get it. Oh, we won. Look at that. Look, now you don't have to dislike my stream. See?
I got a commercial right when it was ending.
No, really? That's funny. Room one.
Oh, you posted Pine Tree. Let me see. I thought I heard a noise, but I wasn't sure if it was mine or not.
Let's go. Everyone's saying, "Oh my god, ads." Talk about bad timing. I don't control the ads, guys.
They do have spreads right on Robinhood.
Are you kidding? I got. Hold on,
That's hilarious.
That is it on the desktop version as well? Let's see.
I mean, I would imagine.
Log in. I actually have money in there to get back in the trading options, but I haven't even logged in a while. So I just have it just sitting there.
Yeah, the market is dead today. I guess it's waiting on those earnings. We're going to do the giveaway, guys, once we get to 7,700 subscribers. We need 19 more. So come on, guys. Room is actually disqualified from winning. Let's run it back.
That's up to him. If he wants it. I was just going to give away another one.
I'm kidding. He does want it. Eric, the earnings are probably what, like 410, 415 on Wednesday?
So Room, if you have my my stream up real quick, I just need you to verify it's you, even though obviously we can probably verify it's you. I just need you to message me on Discord to grab the code. Nope, Josh, we're gonna do another one right now. I'm gonna do one more 50K advanced account. So if you guys didn't win that one, let's jump into this one.
Yeah, I think I'm going to be doing a stream with Barbie tomorrow. I got to ask her about if she would buy Tom's bathwater.
There it is. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. It's for a 50K Tradeify advanced account. Bring in your peoples. I see solo trades. I think the 18 people or how many ever. Well, it says we got 30 there now, but they're from here, from this stream. But I think the people that are watching me normally are already subbed to Myth anyway. And I did tell them.
Good morning. Tell you guys, you just got to get your grandmother, your mom, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, your mistress, I don't know, your dog. Get them all up here. Hit subscribe.
VOLA Room Beats is here. I know he's here. I just need him to message me on Discord so I can shoot him the code for the account. I'll put the Discord in the chat.
Room should be able to get in the Discord. I think he's in mine. I'm not 100% sure. We may have to draw a couple of times on mine for the giveaway because I've been running this thing since like 6 this morning.
Yeah, true.
Trying to get these subscribers up.
Are those people subscribing to you? Where's that sound coming from?
No, I'm not getting any subs. It must be to you.
You
don't have a pop-up?
Well, I hear it, but I'm not seeing it for some reason. Weird.
I don't see it.
I thought I would be able to see it, but I guess Something must be in front of it.
You should be able to see it, or at least
Well,
if you're hearing it.
yeah, usually I do see it. That's why I'm confused. Yeah, they're both up there. Well, it says they are.
How's everybody looking today on their P&Ls? Everybody green? Papa Tony in the house.
I am gray, as I like to say.
Gray, no trades. Hey,
No
sometimes no
trades.
trades is a trade.
That's very true. I try to tell that to
So
people all the time.
So you find that waiting until later is a better option, I guess, from what you're saying.
I put it like this, like when do you always get those like crazy 200-300 point moves? It's like always like right at the open when you get that crazy like influx of volume and stuff. But during the
Yeah.
day, it's very rare that when you get a nice size move that it just continues for a very long time, unless it's news driven, right? Obviously there's going to be news here and there, but I've just
Room,
noticed. Yeah.
I was just gonna tell Room, you want a free 50K Tradeify account, you need to message him in Discord.
Yeah, Room. Oh, there they go. Now they're coming through. Thanks for the subs, guys. Welcome to the gang, the VOLA gang. May the ticks and the marble rolls be with you.
May the ticks,
The
I almost said
ticks.
something else. May forever be in your favor.
Yeah, Room. You said that you were gonna dislike my stream unless I let you win, so I had to rig it so that you won. Nice pine
Trying to
tree.
test your, let's see, initial balance is set here.
Room. Yeah, you can still get it. It's just a code. So you make an account and I give you a code. So instead of putting VOLA in for the coupon code, you'll put the code that I give you in and it'll turn it to $0.
$0 make you holla.
$0 make you holla. And on every
I potentially,
Friday, yeah,
I was just gonna say I might potentially take a long up here.
yeah, it does look like it could break out. I was gonna say, and every Friday I give away a 50K straight to funded, or well, now they call it a lightning funded account from Tradeify. So if you're ever interested in one of those, feel free to stop by on Friday. A Myth, I will gladly let you win it and give it away. It's completely up to you.
Yeah, I've gotten some of those before to give away. I like that.
Yeah,
I'm
they're
like,
nice.
hey, take it straight to payout.
Yeah.
Need more of Tradeify accounts. I don't know. Does Bulanox offer level 2? Very good question. I don't think so. I don't think any prop. I mean, there's a couple that give level 2, but for the most part, most don't.
Don't they? They don't even call it level 2 for futures, do they? Don't they usually? Isn't it the DOM or whatever?
I don't know. Market depth. Yeah, that's what
Yeah, market depth.
Pine Tree say.
Yeah.
Somebody does offer it, but I don't think Bulanox does. Who does?
Room. No, the one that you want is an advanced account. I was just saying that I give away the straight to funded ones on Friday.
$15. Top Step does. I know somebody else does too. I can't remember who it is. Is it? It might be. Is it Bulanox? Bulanox does $15. Okay, I got you. I'm pretty sure. I think Fideas does it, or Funded Futures Network, one of them. But I'm not sure.
I'm looking on Robinhood for these games.
You're not seeing them?
Yeah, I'm not seeing. So
I
maybe
knew
it's
Pine
just
Tree
on
was
the app.
lying. Pine Tree was lying.
Hold on, I'm on the app now too. Let's see.
Oh, you have to be subscribed to Pine Tree's OnlyFans in order to.
Oh, that's how it works. Okay.
But I thought you were a gold subscriber already.
Room. So the Apex account, or not Apex account, the advanced account is like an Apex account, where you have to pass it, and then if you do pass the eval, there's an activation fee. But you get a free attempt at passing. I think it's like a $33 account normally.
Yeah.
Something like that. But I also, every once in a while, I get frisky. I'll give away some growth accounts. but the big ones are on Friday. I give those away. Those are $300 accounts on Fridays.
Pine Tree has just announced a sale. Fart in a jar for $20. Normally
Sold.
$79.99.
21.
It's usually a $79 value. Use code MM. The activation fee is like $130, I think, or $140, something like that.
The next giveaway, Stain. I'm just Stian. Is it Stian or Stain? Because the AI is backwards for it to be Stain. So is it Stian?
I have no idea. I just say stain.
Stian? Yes? Okay. So I'm right. Eat it.
R90. We'll just call him R90.
Love the fart in a jar flash sales. Let's go. I mean, I'll fart in a jar if you guys really want it. I'll even eat some salad beforehand.
Yeah, Trev. Not really a lot of follow through. Just salad? I mean, come on, man. You got to get like chili dogs.
I'm trying to lose weight again, man.
You got to get in there with something spicy.
Yeah, okay. Maybe I'll do some Indian food. You know the best thing about Indian food? I tell my wife this all the time that after you're done eating Indian food, for some reason it kind of makes me burp a little bit more than usual, but it's the only food that tastes good when you burp it back up. Like you just do it all night. It's great. It's like I'm eating Indian for the rest of the night.
Cucumbers make me do that.
Cucumbers?
It's not the best taste.
Well, you're supposed to chew the cucumbers, not just stick the whole thing in there.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot. Yeah, I do. I have a bad habit at that. You know, the big ones. Yeah, I like.
Just tempting.
I like for them to touch that dangly thing in the back of my throat.
It's Hoodma.
You guys are gross.
Such perverts.
Heartburn City for Pine Tree for the cucumbers. Yeah, kind of the same.
I think Pine Tree's lying. I've looked everywhere on this app. I don't see nothing. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Is it something you have to like apply for? Because you know how they like
if you know
apply?
Me, as soon as a cucumber got past my teeth, I'd throw up. Prediction Markets, Pine Tree said it's called. I gag while brushing my teeth.
Really?
Yeah, 100%.
You're not supposed to stick it back that far, man.
No, I'm just talking about just having it on your teeth. I gag from that. I'm a nightmare at the dentist office when they have to like take pictures of my teeth.
Oh yeah.
So,
Prediction Markets. I don't see anything about
Robinhood Legends, says Eric. Riggity's long from 60.
I did see something about Legends.
I didn't like that retest, Riggity. It wasn't a good enough close for me there.
Let me check the marbles. I know we're good.
We push right back into the range too. This could be a good short spot. I still would like to short off 83 though.
Whoa. Robinhood Legend just made a crazy sound at me. Oh no, Robinhood Legend is their platform to trade. This isn't it. Liar. Yeah, Legend is their charting platform.
Entry says it's for gold members only potentially. And,
I am a gold member. What
else?
What else are you gonna throw at me, Pine Tree? Let's go.
You don't have the jacket. You don't know the secret handshake.
Yeah. Yeah, 930 on the 9th hole.
Yeah. You secret handshake assholes.
You know what? Let me just Google it. It's probably better. Robinhood sports betting.
I don't bet on sports typically. You know, usually if I'm at the casino or something, I might.
Robinhood launches pro and college football prediction. It's from their thing. So this was
Yes, Room. You do need to verify your number in order to message on Discord. That's a thing.
Yeah, I did that because people, all the scam accounts. So, yeah, I do that. Yeah, too
Tell
many
you what,
people
Room,
are trying
he'll
to
just
scam.
Volatility will just post your code in the chat.
Yeah, first one to get it gets it. How about that? You down for that, Room?
Just post the code in the chat. Free for
First one to
all.
get it gets it. It's actually not a bad idea to do every once in a while. Today,
Post one in the
Robinhood
chat.
Derivatives announced the launch of pro and college football prediction markets directly within the Robinhood app, available through the Prediction Markets Hub. Customers can now trade on the outcomes of the most popular pro and college football games, including all regular season pro matchups and all college Power 4 schools and independents. Football is far away,
Oh,
yada yada yada. Well, how
country,
come
who
I
will
can't see it?
headline the Super Bowl halftime? We already know that's Taylor Swift, right?
Oh, I see it. It was like halfway down. It's kind of hidden. You have to like go down through your positions, through the crypto stuff, and then there it is, prediction markets. US Open men's tennis winner, US Open women's tennis winner. Interesting. How do you
I'm gonna buy long at the 34 or 35 area.
This market sucks. Wait, 47 cents?
I'm long here, looking for the pushback into 45.
Yeah, I mean, if you can trade this chop, man, there's definitely some money to be made there as long as it actually chops.
Let's see if we can find a spot. We're not really going to post it in the chat room. We're just messing
No,
with
no,
you.
I was being funny. Myth, he thinks you're the one that'll steal it. That's funny.
I'll
What's your
steal it.
favorite prop firm? Right now mine's Tradeify. Close second would be Take Profit Trader. And then I would say My Fund of Futures. That's my top three.
Good choices.
I do really like the futures desk too. I actually really like their online platform. The fact that you don't need to download everything's just right there and it's really well designed. I just don't I'm actually in the midst of trying to pass an account. I'm actually pretty close. And the cool thing about the futures desk is you pass it, you go straight into a live account, like an actual live account, which is
You guys
interesting.
see that? It one ticked me there. That was annoying. I still locked in like 6 points, but it just breathed on my stop a little bit. On my take probably just said
Have I checked out Blue Guardian? I have not. Are they newer? I tend to stay away from new props. I wait until props get like a little bit of a reputation before I even take a look at them. I look at it
Blue
this way.
Guardian.
Yeah, he said Blue Guardian.
Never heard of
So
them.
with
Let me go get a code.
right. Well, a lot of people do that, right? And there's nothing wrong with it, but I personally, I don't like to I have prop firms that work, right? I know that I can give them my money and I know if I follow the rules and get the payout, they're going to pay me. And so for me, until someone else is like actually changing the game or they have some kind of like ridiculous like deal that's worth looking at, I don't, even if I'm paying an extra $5-10 for an account or something, I don't mind because I have that security behind it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, the reason why I typically reach out to prop firms, even if they're new, is to just secure my code. I've had my code stolen. Um, someone stole my Apex code
What, how?
before I was able to get the 2-digit. Because when I requested my code, they did not offer a 2-digit code.
Oh, gotcha.
And so I had to choose code Myth. And then as soon as they offered a 2-digit code, like maybe a week after they started offering them, after I saw Patrick Whelan had one, I reached back out to them and they said someone else had already requested code MM.
That
Um,
sucks.
and they have confirmed to me that that person is not an influencer. So that is someone who just
Right. Well, why did
took
they
the
even give it to
code.
him? I remember, so Apex, when I first got affiliated with them, they made me get a certain amount of sales with them with that crazy like default code that they give you, right? You remember that? And so I
Yeah.
had to use that forever. until I got a certain amount of sales, while all these other people had personal codes, and it was like, well, you got to prove to us that we should give you a personal code. And then it was like when I finally got one. So the fact that they would just give it to some random person, that I guess that's kind of messed up. I didn't know they did that now.
EGTYQZUB. That was my code.
Yeah, exactly. Is
I
that
still
actually
remember
your
it.
code?
That was my first code with them.
Oh
Yeah.
wow, you memorized it. Nice.
Yep, I still remember it. So, yeah, that long was kind of ballsy. I agree, a little bit of a degree there, Trev. We have the 50 EMA touch, and ES. This is what I was looking at, just so you know.
Did you get
ES
stopped
right
out?
there at support at 67. I took 6 points.
Oh, okay.
My target was 10, and it literally one ticked me, and I just moved my stop up, and then it ended up going. But
Gotcha.
Room wants you to just send me the code, and I'll get it over to Room if you don't mind.
Yeah, it's fine.
Room's already in my DMs, so.
Room just really doesn't want to be in my Discord. I get it.
He doesn't know how to he don't want to verify his thing, I guess.
Why? What you hiding?
Room is in another country. Room, where you at? I don't remember. Like in Japan or somewhere, right? Remember where Room is?
Sent.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let me get that on over to Room. Or actually, let me see who else.
Okay. Yeah.
I was just gonna say who really wants the code here.
first $10 donation gets it.
Yeah, first dono gets it. No, just kidding. Don't do that.
That's funny.
I wouldn't do that to Room. Room has been a long time supporter. Now somebody else I might do it to. What up, Kirk?
All right, I'm actually gonna run the second race now while you're doing that.
Let's roll.
51. Let's roll, baby.
Use it for a giveaway, says Jamie. Take full advantage.
It's in his hands now, Room. It's in his hands.
I already sent it.
Yeah, but
already sent it. No messing
he probably
around.
changed the last letter. I know
Yeah,
how
just
he works.
Off by one letter. That's all. But other than that, it's all good.
Oh, we're breaking that current high. All right, hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for. I might look for a bounce here, depending upon how this candle closes.
Let's see if we get a push up towards 600. I'm interested. Maybe I dabble at 590, but it needs to go there like right now.
I would short off 83.
It's just grinding, man. This sucks. I hate days like today.
It does make it difficult to find a spot to get in.
Well, especially, I mean, that's the beauty of my system is I literally just sit here and wait until it does exactly what I'm looking for. And if it doesn't, then I just don't trade, which that's the part that sucks. But there are some days where I'll find, 10 trades, but there's some days where I find 0 and it sucks.
That's okay though. I mean,
yeah.
if that's your system and it's tested and then I mean,
yeah, and it's working.
Not much more you can ask for.
Like we were talking about earlier. I was just going to say real quick, like we were talking about earlier, I would definitely be okay trading this on a personal account. Like that's what I try to tell myself. It's like, I always try to tell myself if props were to disappear tomorrow, would I feel comfortable, trading my own personal account with how I'm trading? And that answer was no for a very long time. And now it's a definitive yes. So that's a plus.
Yeah. I don't know, Room. I hope you didn't just post it in the chat though.
Under
no, Room. That's not the code. What are you talking about?
Yeah, that's not it. Oh, he's probably trolling now. He's probably trolling.
Oh.
So you have until the end of the month. They expire the end of the month. And no myth, that's not actually true. But it's what I was told to tell them because people keep sitting on the accounts. So use it by the end of the month.
I don't know. I don't have any codes with them right now. I'll pick up some more. I got to make a video So
Yeah, because I had an issue when they transferred the website over. Apparently, a bunch of people
yeah,
were holding on to their codes from like a month prior or whatever, and then like after the website switched over, they were like, "Hey, I want to use that code from the win, and it doesn't work." And I'm like, "You should have used it when I gave it to you." I mean, I
yeah. I
did
think
end up getting them set straight, but
I heard that all the cookies were deleted or whatever.
yeah, it supposedly with Tradeify, it didn't, but with Take Profit Trader, they did. If you remember that month sucked.
Well, I don't know. From what I saw, Tradeify's did too, but
It did at
I don't know
first,
if
but
that's
I
true.
think they got it back. I think. I
Yeah,
don't
maybe
know
they
for
did.
sure.
I know they didn't pay me this month because they split the payment last month, and so this month's was not
It was
um
supposed to be like the end of July plus August kind of thing, or
yeah.
whatever.
So
Or when did they do the website? Wasn't it? Was it in July or was it this month?
I don't
I don't know.
remember. I just know that they split. They paid me for half of last month, and then the second half did not equal 1,000, so they didn't pay me for that.
Right, gotcha.
You got the zone from London. What up, Tom?
All right, while we're watching Myth get a nice bounce here, hopefully, we're gonna run marbles because now I'm in no man's land for myself.
Let's do it. I'm gonna go stop to break even at 70, and we're gonna look for the 76 push. If we can get it.
Another
Can't get it. We can't
50K
get it.
advanced account. Let's get it. What the heck? No one's getting blown off this time. Wow, that's gay. I look forward to that like every time we do these giveaways. Literally, not one person got blown off. That's bullshit.
Tom says 574 is the Tom Sabo guarantee.
Well, I hope he's right for you.
You might be
Fox
right
runner.
after it stops me out. Oh, it already
Seems
went to the 74. Oh, it did, didn't it?
oh, he was talking on that first move. Fox
Yeah.
runner. He's running. He's running for it. Got a big lead. He's out to a big lead now.
He is way in front.
Oh, he's going backwards though. Oh, son of God. Y'all know who that is. Oh, I thought you got blown over. Oh,
If you don't get back above my entry here on this push, I'm going to kill it.
son of God. There's the finish line. Last race took a
I'm just
while.
kidding. Out. Son of God's already there?
He was, but now he's going backwards. That's the beauty of this track, man. You can be like right at the finish and end up in last. That's great.
Room, you can trade any platform that you want, kind of with Tradeify. They have it all except for maybe X. They have Trade of 8 and Ninja.
They don't have Rhythmic though, which is unfortunate.
No, they don't.
No.
But you can use Trade of 8 on Ninja if you needed to. That's what I do
Oh,
anyway.
Z. See ya. Homer Sim. It's hard not to
We
say
get
it.
back above 61. I'm going to get back in. All right, I'm back in. It might just trap me here, but we're going to try it. Oh, that was dirty.
Yeah, they came up and just stole your money.
That was dirty. All right, switching to a different account.
Jason.
I did.
Josh. Jason. Josh. Getting close to the end here.
That was rude.
Josh. Josh going for it. Froggo? Question mark. Oh no! Got blown off right at the end. Waffles going for it. Waffles? Oh, there's a barrel there. You got to miss it. Oh no! So close. Anyone else close? Oh, Jason's coming in for the steal. No, they can't finish. Solus coming out. Solus gets blown off the track room. No way. No way. You can't. No, we got to run it back. You can't win twice in a month. That's crazy. He won back to back, that little shit.
Did he? Oh, I didn't even see it yet.
That's crazy. He came in and snuck in there. That's funny.
Room said, I am back for another round.
Well, it literally won't let you claim a second one. So you can only win once a month. We're gonna run it back.
Room needs to buy a lottery ticket.
Yeah, for real. That's crazy. Is there anyone out there that wants in the giveaway that's not in the giveaway? I don't think I actually. Me. Type exclamation point marbles. I think I can add you to whoever's already in here. You know what? Let's
Yeah,
just.
Trev, I did
Yeah.
jump back in.
I'm gonna do. Oh wow, it popped right back up too.
Yeah.
Just to watch my race. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna reset it. We'll do another 10 minutes. Give me a sec. First time winning anything in my life seriously apart from sports games. This is my favorite YouTuber. Sorry, man. I rigged it so he'd win twice. You know, it's what I do. I'm just kidding.
Room,
It's
let
completely
me get in
random.
there and delete that code, Room.
All right,
Nah,
exclamation
me.
point marbles.
I don't care if they win the same week. It doesn't bother me.
I
He might be talking about because Tradeify
yeah,
accounts. Maybe they
it's
don't.
yeah, it's not me. It's Tradeify. They literally won't let you activate two of the codes at the same month. It just pops up and says cannot use coupon code or something, or coupon code has already been used. Yada yada yada.
Come on,
Exclamation
push it
point
up there.
marbles, push it, baby. I want it too. I want to see the 607. That'd be beautiful. I'm actually going to move my line up here. Yeah, after this marbles race, I'm probably going to get out of here. So come get it in. I appreciate Myth having me. That was lots of fun. Still got 10 more minutes with you, but I got to
Room
get
said
some
I can
stuff
activate
done.
one today and one 29 days from now.
You know, I probably if you win next week, I probably would do something like that, but I usually don't give away the same type of accounts, so it doesn't matter anyway. So like next week I'd probably do a growth account or something. So you can win cuz I'll do advanced accounts, growth accounts, and lightning funded accounts, the straight to sim ones. And you can win one of each of those every month. You just can't win two of the same account. That's all.
Rip it.
Reap it. You're not even looking for that
Listen,
much, so we just need a little pop through.
no. Yeah, just a little pop. Trying to get back to break even on this account. We did a little more damage to the other account. We're down 500 on it now.
On that little push
But
down there.
yeah, that's the way it goes, right? You'll make it back on some, and then some you're gonna make it a little worse. Yeah, Pine Tree, right to the tick 20 points on the inside bar, the first one.
Jump up there. Give us one of those
Listen,
little like quick burst through.
Granny's not even subscribed to my channel, Room, so got to get Granny to subscribe and enter the giveaway.
Yeah, did you get any more subs yet? Or are you still
We
sitting
need
at
18
20?
more.
18.
Yeah,
Okay.
we need 18 more.
Hey, getting there.
It's trying. Come on, get up there, bro.
What time did you start
Up
streaming?
there.
6?
1:45 a.m.
1:40. Jeez. So you're going to 1:45?
Yeah.
Ish.
I am.
There it goes. Go. Go. Did it get you?
Let's move this up. Not yet. Right
there.
Close.
70. Oh no, 3 ticks.
There we
All
go.
right,
Let's
good.
go.
Oh, it got
now
you
I'm gonna
to
look
the
for the
tick.
short. Yeah, now I'm gonna look for the short off 83.
Get them both ways.
That's a trade I would take off 83 either way. That's a previous day close if we get it. Yeah, there's no purchase required, Tech T, on that.
Previous day close. Yeah, it sure is right there. Look at that.
You ever use the previous day close?
I do. So I'll look at it as it definitely gets used a lot as a resistance or support, depending on which way it's going. But yeah, I definitely think that's a key area that they pay attention to for sure.
Oh, yeah, by the way, Pine Tree, I back tested that, what you're talking about there, and that thing had a 40% win rate.
Musanevi exclamation point Pine. Is that your alt account there, Pine Tree?
It might be. But
Jamie, I
yeah,
don't
that had a
think we can even
40%
set it.
win rate. Not great.
I'm
What am I
not.
doing? Marbles.
Exclamation
What's
point
Jamie?
marbles. Get 'em in. You got 5 minutes, 40 seconds.
I do mine it goes to 5 p.m. Yeah. Settlement, a lot of times settlement is different. So if you just have an indicator for previous day close, it will show up different. So I like marking it out manually. It has a 67% win rate just on the first test of the day. So I'm just looking for 10-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. What was that, bro?
Excuse me.
You farted? You farted, bro.
My bad.
Oh, that was funny. Do you remember when my brother came in here and farted while I was on the stream and you said 7 out of 10 on the fart?
Yeah, I do remember that. How about this one? Why is it playing the same one?
None of those sound wet enough.
No, yeah, what's that?
You need to get Pine Tree to send you one in a jar.
No, I have good ones, but why it's not that's not the right sound.
The only thing I don't like about this previous day close is like ES is right at a must squeeze level. So if it reclaims this level, it's gonna this will just get wrecked. But I'm gonna still leave it. Still gonna leave it.
Yeah, they're all different. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. I see. Here it is.
Pine Tree remembers the fart. Of course he does.
I wasn't supposed to. The numbers got to go right now. But did it go in the jar? I would hope so. You gotta save that for later. Yeah, number 3.
come on.
I was putting a space. That's why it was getting me.
Look, we're getting the reaction off the level before it tags me in. That's rude.
I got
Tag
some good
me in
ones.
yet.
Gonna start dancing.
Indian. I don't hear any of those.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
I'll have to look for 10 points. 83 to 73.
Yeah, see this? Oh, well, it tagged you in there.
Yeah. I'm gonna look for 73 here. And again, ES is reclaiming that key level here, so I don't know if this works or not. This is interesting kind of dynamic.
Yeah, anytime it's grinding like this, I personally just let it be. Who knows what it's gonna do?
I'm gonna go to stop to break even quickly here. Stop to break even there. Let's just
Drop
see.
it like it's hot, baby. 2 minutes for marbles, anybody who's not in there. Just
Let's go.
FYI. Go. Tag it. Oh,
We'll take it. We'll take it.
Nothing wrong with that. Nice trade. Donovan in the house. Ooh, wee. Donovan, I almost didn't recognize you. You're gray. Threw me for a loop there.
So we got that account back negative 150. This second test probably gets us the 10 points, but I'm not willing to hold that after the ES has got above that squeeze level. I think it's much more probability here that we may retest that open.
Come on, go for it. Go for 600. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're going to retest that 604, 602 area.
Betty gave me all the charts saying we're going down with the bullseye. I don't know if
I mean, I
don't know if
wouldn't.
I'm taking that right.
I wouldn't doubt like 80. Let's see, 73 would have been my target.
1 minute for marbles. 1 minute.
I would not doubt the second push down gets me to my target.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You got a guy as a mod named Day Trading Like a Predator. Come on, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're
Day
in
trading like a predator.
we're in some rough times with predators. Oh, you mean like a dinosaur?
Not a sexual. Yeah, not a sexual predator.
I know. I was being funny.
See, look, this is what I'm talking about. See that second test? It's going to probably give the 10 off there. You're not really supposed to move the stop in this strategy, but when ES is hovering at a key level there, it got me a little spooked.
Are you in the Mighty Ox Fantasy Football League?
No,
Did he ask you to play?
no, I don't know who that is.
Oh, what a dick.
I don't know
You know who
Mighty
Mighty
Ox.
Ox is? Everybody knows who Mighty Ox is.
Tom Sabo is back. No, I don't know. I mean, I know who he. I don't know who he is as a person. So I'm saying,
Right,
like, I know.
I
I've
got
heard.
you.
I've heard of his channel.
Yeah, I
So
was
there's
gonna
the
say,
TP.
Yep, sure did. Would have gave it to you.
I mean, I knew it would have. I took 8 points. I mean, you know, it's fine. It's fine. And
All right,
that's what I like. Like I said, that previous day close, I just look for a small reaction off of.
Right.
Ready to run the marbles?
Yeah, let me make sure I got all the correct members in there. I think I got to add Josh, Emmy, Donald. Oh no, yeah, I don't have Josh in there. Got to add him last time. That was my fault.
As my ass is hurting. Like Jim Carrey. Over the years, my ass has taken a beating.
Ooh. Got up to 60. Let's go. All right. Yep.
So
We're
here's
in no man's land. No man's land. Let's
down
run it.
540 on that one. Down 150, up $20. Down 33, down 285, up 26, down 410. So
All right. Room did enter this one as well. If he wins this one again, oh, he's not winning this one. He gone. He
he
gone.
got kicked.
He gone. See ya.
He got his face ripped off.
Got Waffles in the lead. Mr. Pancakes himself. Oh, nice little bump there by Mr. Lion Spirit. It's a spirit animal. Waffle spirit animal is pancakes.
Pancakes sound good right now. I'm pretty hungry. Did have a sausage biscuit this morning, but
Whoa, Lion's going for it. He's going for record time too. No, he was going too fast. That would have been a new record for the race. Record is currently 1 minute and 2 seconds. That would have been like 48 seconds. That would have been crazy.
man, so he just missed the loop. He missed
Yeah.
the little.
Yeah, you got to fall in there. Waffle's going for it. Waffles
Come on, Kofor,
trains
get
for
up
these.
there.
He trains for these.
Does
Oh
he?
yeah, Stian's in there. I see him. What's the R90 stand for? Wow, he's already here. Nobody's even close. Is he gonna fall in or get froggoed? Waffles. Oh, the comet came for you, but it missed. Waffles winner. Man, that was a quick one.
Another rejection off that previous day close.
Yeah, they're stepping in.
Look how strong that previous day close is. When we grind into those levels, I mean, that's, the best
MB,
sign.
he just won. Mr. Waffles just won it. 50K advanced account from Tradeify. Congrats. Waffles, message me on Discord.
Room, I don't know what time my giveaway is. I really want to get to 7,700 subscribers, so that's what I'm trying to do. Well, we're going to do the giveaway today, but even if we don't get there.
Wait, you're doing a giveaway too?
I'm giving away an any size Apex eval.
Oh, right. Well, shit, when's that happening? I'm gonna stay for that.
When we reach 7,700.
Oh, come on. I like it. All
That's
right,
how
Waffles,
we do it.
shoot me the message on Discord. I'll get you set up.
I don't hold them hostage too often. Huh.
Ooh, nice pop
We need
here.
18 more solo. It's right above my head. It updates in real time.
The live sub count, baby.
So what are you thinking? Where are you looking to short? 07s?
Well, if you see my chart, I'm actually fairly above that now. I would ideally like to see it shoot straight to 620 here, but because I haven't traded today, I would say a push up through 600 is going to get me interested.
I think a short into 010 or like 6,000, 23, 610. I think a soup at 610 is going to be a really strong play back into like the 90, 95 area. That's the overnight high. A lot of times 3 points above or below the overnight high. I've noticed that we kind of get a decent reaction at those levels. But I do think that level might line up with the next level up on the ES at 6480. So if it
Right.
does, that could be an interesting spot. I might take a stab short up there. So let's see. Do I want to switch accounts or we keep it on this one? I think we keep it on this one.
All right, Waffles got the account. Congrats, my man. Yeah,
Gopher said QQQ filled the gap. SPY is weak.
Ooh.
I don't know. I mean, the only thing is the ES is building structure above 74. And at that, like I said, 74 was our reclaim for a squeeze here. So if it gets above initial balance here, I think it's going to just push. Kind of what it looks like.
I hope it does it. This is my last chance. Or I take a break.
Yeah. So what do you got to get to for payout on that one with 85K equity? Is that 20% consistency on that one or no?
Yes, yeah. And I'm sitting at 22.6%. So I'm getting pretty close. Yeah. I think
nice.
When I did the math, it needed to be like 38K in profit, and I'm sitting like right at 36K. So I need like another 2,000.
Nice.
But
and then what's the max payout on that? It's like $2,000.
Yeah, it's $2,000. But to my understanding, when they send you live, you get if they send you live, they give you the remaining balance. At least that's my understanding.
Right.
So that's the idea. And if for some reason they don't, I mean, I could probably sit here and finagle payouts for quite some time with that kind of a cushion. So
yeah, well, I know Nutty's live with them, and I see him. He started with like a 15 or 16K balance.
well, that might be
with
because he
them.
had like 5 accounts though, or 3.
Yeah, he
5
did.
accounts.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
so
was
that could be
maxed out.
why.
Yep. So, but per account, I think what is it like 5? It probably is like a 3K, 3 or 5K max or something.
Yeah.
So,
It's yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 2,000, 2,500, and then 3,000.
Somebody told me the other day, who were they with? They lost like 45 or 50% of their balance when they went live. I don't remember who it was.
Yeah, I don't
Who
know.
they were with. I don't know. I can't remember who it was with. It's crazy that they do that though. To me, if it's your balance, then it's your balance. It's your money, right?
Yeah.
But not every prop firm thinks that way.
Yeah, I mean, you follow the rules like it's your money. That's how I look at it.
The only thing I would say is I don't recommend building up a huge balance.
No,
But at the same
it's
time,
much harder.
And
it takes forever.
If you do, you do.
Yeah. It just so happened there was one day where I just absolutely smacked it, and I just kind of let it happen instead of taking it off. I actually lost some money because I had made so much that day. I had lost
That's
it on
insane.
purpose. Yeah. There's a glitch in the
Yeah,
matrix.
I'm horrible at those big days like that. I like a lot of times I'll pick the tops or the bottoms and then, but I'm just looking for 10 or 15 points and then I'm out. I don't need the whole move.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that was just a
just
runner situation.
I'm going to attempt the short up here at the soup of the 607 myself. I think as long as ES is at the 80, as long as they kind of line up there, I think that's a good spot to look for a little pullback.
Yeah, I just want to see it go up there and actually give us a decent move.
Yeah, because you're needing the 620s up there now, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, now it's still sitting right around 620. But I want to see like that candle at 1111. Like I want to see one of those types of candles like as we're already at the highs. Like that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a nice extension candle.
Do you like it when it's got a lot of volatility towards the level?
Yep, exactly. The odds of it, easiest way is I always compare it to a rubber band at this point. The more you stretch
That
it,
makes sense.
yep, the more you
Yeah.
stretch it, the quicker it snaps back.
Unless it's a tough rubber band, you know?
Yeah, it's true. So not all rubber bands are made equally.
I got 2.5 hours left on the stream here. Whew. Starting to feel it.
Yeah, we're just kind of grinding up on this EMA.
Yeah, you kind of want to see it hold the previous day close here and then push up.
I will say
What
I have
EMA do you got there? Is that the 9?
it's a 13.
13? Okay.
And it's just there because it comes with the Keltner channels. That's what I use as
Yeah.
the middle line.
Yeah, like I told you, I used to use the Keltners a long time ago. I used to use them on the 10-second chart. Insane.
You said you use them for getting in with the trend there, right?
Just scalping, yeah. So basically,
Yeah.
I look for the pullback into the Keltner, and then I would just long,
Right.
looking for the channels to hold.
Right. Yeah.
Same idea as what you're doing, but just on a much smaller time frame. A lot more opportunities, but also probably a lot more losers as well.
Right. Yeah, that's the one thing I've noticed with my strat is, and I think I brought that from when I was trading stocks prior, is that my win rate was just so high that that's kind of what I was used to. So it's very hard for me to even fathom like going down to like a 60-40 type win rate strat. Where with me it's, and that's kind of why I like the orb so much. It was kind of like you know, it was such a high win rate strat that I just adapted it pretty well. But that was just
Yeah,
unrealistic.
feast or famine, I guess, though, there with the if you risk the account.
Yeah, exactly. And that's kind of why I got away from it. I did get a couple payouts from it, but I realized that in the long run it was, and I mean, if you find a prop that allows it, I mean, if you don't mind churning through accounts, I mean, it'll work in the long term, but I mean, you got to be okay with going through some stretches of it just not working and refilling
Yeah.
all the accounts. But the people that were doing that, you know, they had no problem refilling 20 accounts, and every once in a while all you had to do is get that 40K payout and, you know, pay for a bunch more accounts. But that's the problem is a
Yeah.
lot of these people, they don't show you that they're, you know, they're taking 40K payout, but you know, how much did they spend to get to that 40K payout?
That's
A
why
lot
they're
of them don't.
hiding that account number.
Exactly. They don't want you to know how many accounts exactly.
So,
I'm
how
not
many
saying
accounts
everyone does
have
that,
you?
but
How many accounts have you went through with Apex?
with Apex,
I wonder who has more, me or you.
oh, definitely you. I did
You
not
think?
go. Yeah, I'm logging in to give you an exact number. I don't even know where would I even find that number. Can I find it
It's
without an
just at
account?
the it's at the end of your. Well, you could look at your. You don't have an account right now.
No. Yeah, that's the thing.
I don't know if you'll be able to see it then.
Oh crap.
I'm at 510 evals.
Oh shit. Fuck, dude. I'm not even over probably 60 or 70.
And the thing is, like, but you know, I've been trading with Apex for a long time and doing
Right.
it at
Yeah.
20 accounts a clip. Now, I don't pass them like that. I would buy like 40 accounts back in the day and like just hedge them 20 long, 20 short.
Well, right. That's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, it's playing the game, right? There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
I just kind of came to my head, you know, that it wasn't necessarily about the money and making the money. It was more about like learning how to actually trade. And I felt myself, the more I'm watching this up, it's getting ready to hit
Yeah, I'm
600.
seeing that.
Um,
500 or 1500 Coper.
the closer or the more and more you start trading like that to play the prop firm game, the further and further away you are from like actually learning how to trade futures. So it was like I realized that
Well,
that was what was happening, and I was like, you know what, I want to go this route and not that route.
yeah, I traded them normal. I never, once I got the accounts funded, I just full sent them in the eval. And then once I got them funded, I traded them normally. But see, ES is at that key level already. I want to see a quick spike up right here into that 07 level. I'm going to look to short. If we can get it. We may not get it, though.
Payments history. Oh yeah, I guess I could tell you how many PA accounts I've had, maybe. Oh no, here we go. No, no, this doesn't tell me the account number. Yeah, the last Apex account I had was February 27th of this year. It's been a while.
I'm going to take the short here.
Short,
I don't know
baby.
if we get to the 607. Let's see if we do or if we don't. I'm going to look for 91 on a retrace here. I'm going to go stop to break even at 95.
It's frustrating that it
Actually,
doesn't tell you.
Stop to break even now. I'm probably going to get stopped.
Yeah, it's probably.
It might run through that it may run through that 07 level first. I just, You didn't see a gap to play that short. Yeah, man. Or no, Frank, I'm just looking at the open price there. The open price is 602. And I don't know. ES is at that key level. I just didn't know if we would make it higher, but it looks like we might.
It's funny looking at my Apex affiliate stuff. I've come full circle from like when I first started, like making a couple hundred, and then it went all the way up to my biggest month with them was almost 6,200.
Yeah.
Or Liz, sorry. Liz likes to run through them as well. Yeah, Apex just made everything so hard. Like all the rules and like the buffer, and it's a lot. The whole 30% thing. There's a lot going on there.
Yeah, no, and I mean I expressed that to them when I spoke to them, But they're supposedly going to be making some changes. We'll see. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I know they'll still pay. Like I've never seen issues with them paying, but it's just the rules. Like all the rule changes like really got to a lot of people, and I've definitely noticed a lot of people just don't.
FBI, open up!
Yeah, I mean you've got better options. I mean it's up to that's what I tell everybody. It's up to you. There's so many options right now. If you have a problem with like the rules that one prop has, there's no reason in the world you should trade them.
Exactly. Couldn't agree more.
Because you got so many options. Open's probably going to pay that rejection off the open. I had kind of a bad feel. I was in at 98, so I went stop to break even there, 95. It stopped me out. So I'm going to wait for that 07 to be ran here, and let's just see.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. This is my last chance with you. We either get this run through 07 or I'm peacing out.
What up, Liz? Liz Field Hockey.
Yeah. Liz likes to
Black
play all the sounds.
Black Beauty she just dropped a comment. She said Apex is awesome. It's her favorite. She loves it. She loves Apex. Nah, Black Beauty.
Oh, Black Betty, blam blam. Oh, Black Betty, blam blam. Apex is beautiful, blam blam. Apex pays me good,
go.
blam blam. Riggedy rack, don't look back.
Man, I probably should have held that trade there. I don't know. It's one of those things where like I was probably a little early to it. I think it still works, but I wasn't willing to trust it.
He needs some milk.
Not necessarily standing in front of a freight train here, but it's not at the same time. It's not No, it is grinding higher.
Winning.
Winning.
Winning. I don't know which one of the sounds are my favorite. Definitely not that one.
I know which one's your favorite.
Order filled.
Auto field. Which one? Yeah, it has a timer on it. It's every 3
Does
minutes.
it?
Yeah.
Darn it.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing.
This one's pretty funny. I like this one. That one cracks me up.
My 2-year-old loves to say he's copying everything that we say now. So he's like, you can't accidentally say a cuss word around him right now.
Emotional damage.
Emotional damage. You cuss around them, that's what you get. Emotional damage.
I try not to.
Yeah,
Mostly
my
his
kids.
mom. You know, I blame it on her.
Yeah, I'll say my kids know when bad words are said, and they just kind of look at you, and they just don't say anything. Kind of funny.
We
They
close
still-
below 600, we might come down a bit. Yeah, maybe.
We don't want that though. We want the big push. Go to 630.
ES is
Well,
rejecting the 6480.
I don't know if Myth wants 630, but I do.
No, I just want 610.
Can you last the 630 if you get in at 610? That's too far.
No. I'll explode. I won't last. 17 more subs, guys, and we'll do the giveaway.
So what are you gonna do if you
We're-
don't get 17 more subs by the end of the stream?
We're gonna get 17 more subs.
Just saying.
Gonna get it.
You need a backup plan.
No giveaway, no subs.
Like it. I like
Sorry
it.
about your luck.
Yep, I like it. Don't give in.
Technically, we started the day. How many subscribers do we have at the start of the day? So we're up 85 subscribers right now because we were at 7598
Nice.
start the day. So up 85 subscribers. Yeah, Black Beauty, that's what I'm doing. I'm just looking for scalps. Trev says, worry about how you treat people, not about bad words. That's what I tell my children. And yeah, Trev's kids are in jail for murder. I'm just kidding. I can say that about Trev's kids because Trev can take a joke. He's into the dark humor.
Yeah, my oldest son, he's very bad with his words.
FBI, open up!
He's a
Oh,
very
it's so funny. I still see your son's videos.
He needs some
that's all me. I spend more time editing his videos than I do my own.
Yeah, I figure it's
Trouble though,
you.
pal. I eat pieces of shit like you
You'll
for
see that,
breakfast.
but I do watch his videos.
You eat pieces of shit for
They're,
breakfast?
Funny. Oh, Trev was
No.
in for murder. My bad. I mixed it up. He's out now, though.
Oh, okay. Treff, you looking for some side work?
Little side work. VOLA has a large insurance policy on the wife.
Shh, don't say it out loud.
Don't tell her. Look at that, guys. It's not necessarily what we wanted, or how we wanted it. But that's all right. He only does it for fun. There's the target. Darn it. We came into the London close, although it's a bank holiday in the UK, so not quite sure why we're getting volatility there.
Yeah, that womp womp is exactly how I feel right now.
Man, I don't know. I'm a little tempted to long here, but I'm not going to. But I am tempted to. I think that run into 610 back above 600.
Yeah, they fake that
There
out
you
to
go.
the downside hard. Let's go.
Yep, there we go.
Come on.
I don't know if I'm gonna. I'm probably gonna just sell the 607. Or wait.
I told you, Steve doesn't let up. Or Liz, sorry. Liz doesn't let up.
I can't even hear it.
Oh, okay, good.
We can't hear it. Frankfurt and so on are still working. Say, okay, I got you. It's not in the EU. Well, Jan, I wouldn't know that stuff.
Come on, you got to run this 607. Let's
I'm thinking like 610 to short. We're getting a little influx of volatility here.
yeah, see the volume came in a little bit.
That stuff's gone down at the local town. They're causing problems already. How does it not run that 07, the overnight high there? I mean, it's got to run that overnight high.
Trying them because my hat. What's that?
Have?
No, it was just me trying. I was talking to the wife, sorry.
Oh.
I bought these little light bars that go like underneath my monitor. So it like lights up my head better because I used to have like a real bad shadow from my hat from the way I have the lights coming down on me. So I put these two little lights on my desk to see if it would help, and it does help a lot actually.
Nice. It didn't run the 0750 on your chart, did it?
No. Stopped right at 07.
And I want a long here so bad. I'm not going to. It'll trap me if I do it. So Treff is saying it's all over the local news. The guy was 88 years old and they mugged him. He almost died. Just from the stupid Hummel. Hummel. He must be voice to texting. 474? It might. Oh, there's Max. I don't know what he's saying. Long or short, Max? You're a Hummel collector now? What the hell is a Hummel? What's
I
a
thought
Hummel?
you said something else, but then I read it.
I don't know what a Hummel is.
Oh,
Hummer?
you're a Hummel.
Hummel figures are worth a lot. Okay.
Hummel.
You
Looks
guys
like
got
it's
me.
a
I have no
shoe.
clue.
Is it a shoe? Hummel browse clothing, shoes, and accessories.
I have no idea.
It's a like a clothing brand. Hummel gifts. Oh, figurines. Oh, here we go. Hummel gifts. Oh, they look like weird looking gnomes,
Hmm.
but they're not gnomes. They're like people.
Interesting. I
Here,
stab long here.
if you look at my screen real quick, I'm gonna pop them up. That's what they look like.
Sure.
They're like these guys. Interesting.
Yeah, very interesting.
Guess I'm a Hummel collector now. Do you have to paint, or do they come blank and you like paint them yourself, or are they already painted? Like, is it at least like a project? Why do they cost so much? That's crazy. Instead of $385, it's now only $270 for this little. What? Sounds like
I'm considering
crazy.
a long off the sweep of 91.
Hummel is a bumblebee in German. I'll tell you what a Hummel is in America. Are you long, or are you looking to get long?
I'm looking to get long.
I don't know. This would kind of scare me because that looks like a liquidity sweep at the highs, but we didn't break the highs. So you would think that this might be a fake out to the downside to then run the highs.
I'm a very short stop. Like 2 points. I got stopped out. Like 2 points.
I don't think you're necessarily wrong. We see this all the time, right? Where they kind of fake it out to the downside and then they run it.
Yeah.
Like, haha, look, it tried to go to the highs but didn't. So now we're going lower. Oh wait, haha, just kidding. We're actually gonna blast through the highs. It's the game they
Country's
play.
still waiting on. He's still waiting on his beanie babies to gain value.
You know, my dad, he owns, I don't know if you know about these, but the Hess trucks. He has like a
Yeah.
bunch of really old Hess trucks that he collected. And he's like, it reminded me of that. Like he's still waiting for that to happen.
Hess Station, we had one here locally. It went out of business.
Yeah, I remember we used to have one. That's where he would buy the trucks from every year. Wow, we might actually get the push down here.
Yeah, I took another stab long there. Lost 4 more points.
Wow, might actually get a trade. I might end up long in this if we can get a drop straight into that previous support or resistance level. Is this
I'm gonna try it one more time. This time I'm not gonna move. I'm not gonna go break even here though.
566?
We're gonna look for 583. Look for the pushback into the 590s here.
Nice little wick there for you. Just gotta hope it holds up.
We got the 50 EMA in the previous day close here, so we'll see. I think it can go.
What a boring day for me. Whenever it hugs these EMAs like that, it's a no bueno for me. There you go. Go, go, go.
Rip it.
Pop it like it's hot.
Trailing it tight, so
Keep going.
at least I was.
Change my mind.
Yes, I think that 90 level, it will go. It's just got to break that. There we go.
There it goes.
Perfect.
There it goes.
Perfect. All right, that account now is only down $83. It was going to bounce somewhere, just didn't know where.
Yeah. Wow, look at this.
Yeah, we'll see, Trev.
And this is the part that sucks for me because it's like it'll die like that and then it'll kind of bounce and then that's such a strong bounce that now I'll sit here for another 15 20 minutes waiting to see if it breaks the highs again. It sucks.
Well, that level right there, I mean, think about kind of what we had here. Like, you're looking at the previous day close with the 50 EMA. So just simple resistance turning into support. I mean, that's all that level is there.
Yep.
These other bounces that I took really were just kind of soup areas. Probably not very smart soup areas either. But I can't believe it left the 607 up there. That's just, I mean, it's not shocking because it's been doing that lately. So the 50 EMA on the ES is in sync with the NQ as well. I don't even have it on the ES. I still like the 07 level for a short, but now that we double top there, I think that we might get a big candle through there. So I'm going to wait.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Wait for a reaction off that because I think above that 607, we just probably push right through there with a nice strong candle.
I don't like
Got
the
at 625. You don't like what?
I was reading Jason had said, I don't like the 600 overhead, but a 10 point scout back towards 600 might be good. Kind of what you just did.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Oh. And I've got to get some more cushion in my chair. I've got what are those things called? The memory foam cushions. I got
The
one of those in my
lumbar
chair.
support.
But that thing is so flat. I mean, it is so like it's not even there.
I'll tell you, so I had an old chair that I used one of those on, and then I bought one of these Secret Labs chairs. Best thing I've ever bought.
Well, this is a nice chair. This is a lazy boy. A lazy boy.
Lazy boy. Basketball.
Yeah. I need a fat boy chair. Exactly, Trader Oracle. Gotta have one of those over 250-pound chairs. So
Yeah, I actually I found this on Facebook Marketplace. A guy said he was moving. He used it like for a week, and then he was just moving, didn't have a place to put it. So I went and grabbed it for like basically 50% off. That was the best thing I ever bought because I was having back problems. That's why I was buying all that other crap, like the lumbar support thing. That same is probably have the same one. But it just wasn't working, and I had to like constantly adjust it because I was like always leaning on it wrong. And but now I bought this chair and it's great. Love it. I haven't had any issues since.
I'm gonna run to the restroom right quick. I'll be right back.
All right. Now that I have you all at my disposal, just kidding. This sucks. I can't seem to find a trade today. For anyone that doesn't know, I am looking for big pushes one way or the other. Doesn't matter if it's long or short, but I'm looking for huge extensions one way or the other, and then I'm looking to basically look for the reversal back towards the median. But we're not getting that today. A lot of in between. We close under 590. That should be a good short. Probably not wrong. Definitely making a lower high here. The real question is, can we come back down to this 80 area and break it? Kevin Theory subscribing puts us one closer to that giveaway. Let's go. 16 more. Call me Mythodical Man. Getting subs while he's gone. What trade are you long or short, Riggedy? You took a short on that Z? Nice. On the big pushes, how do you avoid falling knives? You don't. The key is to trust your trades. So the falling knives, sometimes you're a part of them, but it's a matter of being able to withstand the falling knife. But what I've found is that with the way I have the Keltner channel set up, the falling knives tend to not go much further than the channel. So if you can wait until the price gets near those Keltner channels, you have much better odds of it not just continuing to fall forever. Because I'm just looking to scalp it. I'm not looking for the actual reversal.
Whew, I'm back. Kevin says, yeah, Kevin, you forgot one thing, Vala. You got to say, you the man.
You the man. I did
Anyway,
forget that. I forgot.
the white line is the 50 EMA, Kevin. The blue line's the 9, the red line's the 21. So
Solo trades, you probably wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Solo ask. Let me see. What's your win rate?
What's your win rate?
His win rate's like 22%. What up, Matt? We're just having a joint stream, Matt.
Try you? All right. It's 94%.
94%. And if you join his Discord, it's for only $19.99 a month.
But the thing
We'll
is,
tell you his entries and exits.
the thing a lot of people, they hear that number, but they don't understand the implications behind it. The higher the win rate, usually the lower the risk to reward. So like most people that everyone says if you can trade a 2-to-1 risk reward and you're 50%, you're making money, right? I'm trading
A lot of money.
Yeah, I'm trading 94%, but I have like a 1, it's like a 1 to 8, no, it's more like a 1 to 9 is what I shoot for. So in reality, a 1 to 9, yes, it's still profitable with that 4% that, to the positive, but it's essentially saying if I take one max loss every 10 trades, that I need to at least hit my profit target that I'm looking for. Oh, subscription. Go.
Alexandra Joyce Esma, welcome to the Methodical crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man.
Yeah,
The only thing is, I
Good.
will say this though, Vala, with your trading, like I just watching a couple of your streams. You're not risking 9R on every trade.
No.
I mean,
no.
obviously, some of your trades go right away.
Yes.
But I get what you're saying. If you take one loss out of 10 and you lose 8 or 9R, then it's a bit of it's a setback. I mean, for sure. But it just depends on how the other 8-9 trades go after that, right?
Yep. And that's where the percentages come in, right? That's all we're doing. We're all playing probabilities, right? That's all this really is. You find a system, you test it over a long period of time, you figure out what the probabilities are, and then you base your risk and use, well, the size doesn't really matter that you're trading, but I mean, you
Tolerance,
base your
though.
risk off of it. I mean, well, yeah, it matters with the prop accounts, but everyone's risk can
Kevin,
be
would I
different.
recommend adding the 50 EMA to your chart? It's completely up to you. The 50 EMA, I don't necessarily use it for my funded accounts, but like if you can pair it with something and you got some nice separation between the other EMAs, it typically works well. I mean, if you just look at the 50, we just zoom out, right? Hindsight, obviously, in hindsight, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really nice touches on the 50 today. Yeah, that's hindsight there. Where was my previous day close was? I just moved it on accident. Where was that thing at?
It's crazy when it does
Was
that,
it?
right? When it just rides an EMA like that.
Yeah, just rides it up.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's like that. That's why I like the 50. If I'm patient enough for the 50 EMA pullback, it keeps me out of a lot of losers. Like you look at this pullback right here, I longed twice and took small losers, right? A 2-point loser and a 3-point loser, and then we took a 10-point winner off the 50. If I just wait and I'm more patient, then it works out better. But lack of patience gets me sometimes.
Feel that.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, Sir Doss, sorry, I didn't see that. How do you determine if it's a big push? What's the criteria? Um, it, over time you'll start to see it a little bit better, but I like to look left and I look for what are the biggest candles that have happened today. And I'm essentially looking for candles that are that big, if not bigger. And that's kind of how I determine if it's a big push or not. And I'm always looking for, like, right now we have an obvious key area of 607 as the high. So I'm looking for one of those big candles through that level. And to me, that's going to be a pretty big push. And then I'm just going to look for it to retrace and retest. Because I mean, that's essentially what you see all day, right? You see key levels break and then you see them get retested. And then if it wants to go back down into the range, it will. If it wants to continue up, it'll just bounce and use it as support and continue. So that's all I'm looking for. The trade within a trade.
Do we think ES going to go, or the NQ will go back to the previous day high? It might. You
We'll see.
really got to clear that 625 with some oomph to kind of get it there.
Where's previous
I
day
mean,
high?
right now it's at 650.
650.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was just
What will
hoping
happen with a
push
TPT account if the drawdown was hit intraday and if it is above the threshold after market close? So a TPT account, I'm assuming that you're saying that you have a funded account, Schnell, with TPT, because the end of day drawdown wouldn't hit intraday. If it hit intraday, the account would have blown and you would not have been able to continue to trade it. So if you're still able to trade it and you took another trade and you got it back up, you're good. If it's on a test account, it's an end of day account. So the only way it's going to be hit intraday is if you have a $2,000 loss with no profit.
which
That's the
don't
only
they
way it can be
have
hit.
a daily loss on those accounts anyway?
No,
Oh. Did they? Oh,
they
that's right.
did
They
away
got
with the
rid of it.
daily.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So you should be good. If you're able to trade it, then you should be good, Schnell. If it didn't blow, if it blew, you wouldn't be able to trade it.
Go baby, go baby, go. Go baby, go baby, go.
Previous day high is a magnet. It might be. I mean, we don't know, right? We have no idea. Here's the thing: price can turn around at any of these levels and
Like it's
decide to
doing right
come
now.
back and, yeah, it could turn around and go 50% lower. We don't know,
Go, 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 go.
but it does seem. What are you looking for? You looking for just a big
Like
push above?
6.
I'm looking
Yeah.
for the reaction off 607 here.
I'm looking
I
for
might
like
short this.
620s at least. But that was a big candle. That was probably one of the biggest candles we've had all day. You'd have to go back to the open to see a candle that big. Which
I'm gonna
doesn't give
take a
me
little
promise.
soup.
Yeah, I was gonna say
I'll
a
take
short would be good.
a little soup play here looking for. I'm gonna go stop to break even at 600. How much is this count even down? I don't even know. I might just take it off at, I don't even know what account I'm in a trade on. Okay, there it is. I was like, I couldn't even see it. I'm bad about not giving these plays enough room. So I'll leave the stop where it is for now.
That's not always a bad thing. That ended up being a doji candle. Check that out. Haven't seen one of those in a while.
All right, we may get stopped. Looks like it's just going to push for the 25 here. Potentially.
It's like I'm like half-assed don't want it to because I don't want you to get stopped down. It's like the only way I can get a trade is if it does.
No, it's fine. It's fine. If it stops me, it stops me.
I know, but I'm never going to root for that.
Come on, push it back down to the 600 here. Get a little retest. I'm not usually patient enough on these plays. Although, to be honest, if this was really a suit play, this would work quickly. And
Yeah,
it's not
usually
really,
they
so.
shoot right back down into the range and just hold.
I'm just going to eat it there on that account. Down $200 still. We'll look for another play.
Hopefully it was a really good cut because it's about to skyrocket to 630. Go.
Yeah, that 5-minute candle is strong. I mean, it's nice. It's a nice, thick, big, thick, girthy girl.
Ooh.
Girthy boy. All right, we're only 14 subs away from the 7,700.
Explain
So
to
if
me
you're new
why
here, hit that.
my wife just peeked her head around the corner when you said that.
Uh-oh. She was interested.
What you looking for?
What's that look like? Oh, goodness.
Could use some of that in my life. See, this is what I'm talking about, man. It's enough to keep me here, but not enough to get me into a trade. It's so frustrating.
I think you might get a push, though. We'll see here.
Nah, it's going to come back down and piss you off first.
Why would I be pissed?
Because it's going to go hit where your take profit would have been.
Oh.
Unless you got back in.
I mean, I don't know what you're talking about over there.
Ah, pull it over.
I did. I did no such thing. With double the size.
Oh, with double the size. Look at this guy.
I'm going to put the stop in, though. I'm not messing around with this. It stopped me out. That's all right. Maybe $40. It'll be fine. Gems are tasty. Slim Gems are tasty.
Slim
That's true.
Jims? I've never heard anybody complain about Slim Jims.
Oh, man. It's going to rebalance that gap down there, but it's all right.
I know. This is frustrating.
NVIDIA won't stop pulling the NQ. Is NVIDIA just going to the moon?
You're going to make me look.
Sometimes it puts random commas, the voice text. Yeah, right, Trev. Yeah, right, Trev. All right, we just crossed over the 10-hour mark. 10 hours and 8 minutes on the stream here.
Dude. Yeah, I'm here way longer than I usually am. I'm about to get out of here. It keeps egging me on, though.
Yeah, you can leave whenever you want, man. It's no problem. It's no problem. Oh, my goodness.
Well, it kept teasing me. That's the reason I'm still here. Remember, it was like 11:20. I was like, I'm going to get out of here. And then it went back to the highs at 11:20. And then it tried again at 11:30. Then it pulled back, and I was like, oh, it actually might go down and give me a long. And then it teased me there, and now we're back up at the highs.
That's what happens.
NVIDIA is actually ripping back up towards their all-time highs.
Matt Rad, we're going to go for 12 hours, so we'll be here at least until 1:45, 1:48, whatever it is. As soon as I see the 12-hour mark, I will be out of here.
Yeah,
I should have held that. There's my target. God dang it. You piece of, you know what?
Shot. And look, another big candle. Ish.
How's it going to do me like that? So rude. So rude.
Why you gotta be so rude?
Trading for Science said he sells Slim Jims, code VOLA.
Yeah, buddy. Get 50% off with code VOLA. We go in spurts,
Cool.
you know, Amazon, Walmart, Barnes and Noble, pretty much everywhere. You just go up to the register, you tell them code VOLA, and they'll hook you up.
But you
They
got to
might
say
look
it
at you
right.
funny
Code
at
VOLA,
first.
make you holla.
Yeah, they might look at you funny at first, but then they always hook you up. They're like, oh yeah, I forgot about that, and then they're like, I
Code
got
VOLA,
you.
city of squalor.
I mean, it works everywhere. KFC, Taco Bell, McDonald's, it's everywhere. Whatever you're in the mood for.
Oh,
With that said, though,
man.
I think I am gonna bounce. I ain't got nothing here. We're right back to the middle, right on the EMA. So,
All
I
right, Tim, appreciate
it,
you coming
man.
on, man.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Actually,
A lot of fun.
time
man.
flew by, and I didn't even take a trade. It makes it so much better. It's not so boring, you know. It's kind of the trading is boring
Oh, yeah, for
sometimes.
sure.
So,
For sure.
all right, man. I will talk to you later.
All right, we'll see you next time.
Yep. See you. All right, boys and girls. I'm out of here. I appreciate y'all being here. Until tomorrow morning, I'll be here, same time, same place. Have a good rest of your day. Vala, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. That's it right there. That's the hard truth. Nothing but the truth. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Appreciate ya. Peace.